Okay, Larry and everyone, I'm going to show you how we input that data. This is a customer's first run at it. He did a pretty good job, actually. I'm going to go into screen share. Going into UVision, hopefully. Okay. From here, we've just opened UVision, and this is just the way the computer comes up when you're starting a new design. We'll go to Tools, Terrain Elevation Import Wizard. And here's all of our files that we brought in. I named this gentleman wrong, but this is the one I just sent in this morning, 324, that comes up with a date first. And when you're importing it, you can put a name right up behind the coordinates, which helps you keep up with everything. I spelled Brian wrong, obviously. And from here forward, you should be able to just click on the defaults, and it'll bring this first file in. We'll make this a little bit larger. And after talking with the gentleman, after actually looking at it, this is where the house goes here. So I'm gonna rotate this around to the top. So after he creates his 3D map, it's just as easy as that. We just click through. It's a seamless import. Now, overlaying the picture is a little more complicated. Well, it's not much. You go into Picture Import Wizard. Next, you want to get go to the overlay. This makes it much simpler. So this option on here, you will have to choose. Just go up and down here until you find it. But when you're importing a picture, go to the overlay. Then you have to find the picture that was imported. Let's see. This is the one I copied from Brian. Well, I didn't copy it. I loaded it in from Brian's email that he sent over to me. He just had a drone image that he sent. And that's it. Click through the defaults here again. Now you have to put the picture in basically wherever you want it to be. And we've got to make this larger because our picture is too small. So we should be able to take and just expand it. And once we get it to this size, you can increase it or decrease it with these buttons on the right. And then we have to move it down a little bit. We'll get rid of the grid. Oops, went the wrong way with it that time. Go to the bottom and drag this down. Shift it to the side a little bit. So you can see once we get it to this point, it's just a matter of playing around with it. We'll make this a little bit larger too because we're too small. Actually, went way too big there. But you can see it just takes a little bit of playing around with it to get that part zeroed in where we want it to be. And this is, he got his measurements off here just a little bit. This should be the dock. I don't have it lined up quite where I want it to be. But we're getting there. Someone that's used to these programs can do this much faster than I can. obviously. There's a way to squeak this mouse through and I don't have it down pat. But you can see what we've got here. This is the way you lay it in. You just get it all lined up like you want to. I don't have it. You can see this part's out here. This is a bad measurement that he took here. And I've got a better, actually, I sent an email. Let me click on I'm gonna stop this screen share and go back to, well, I clicked off my emails evidently. That's enough on that for right now.